But as long as whale money continues dropping, we should see a drop in price as well. And once whales are oversold, just as we saw back here and here, this is where you're seeing some pretty significant price increases, so keep an eye out for that. Bitcoin is slowly creeping down towards its previous high here at $49,000. And as this is playing out, currently we are reading neutral, but we could be seeing some moves up pretty soon here. So in this video, I'm going to show you how far we could go down before the next pump to the upside, including metrics and indicator data. With that, let's jump into it. How's it going, everyone? My name is Jake with Trade Confident, here to bring you your daily crypto insight. Thank you so much for joining us today. As a heads up, there are brand new future forecast videos out for you to watch. This is members only here. Watch for the Bitcoin top when this happens. Plus, Uniswap is up 50% this morning. We're also going to go over Uniswap a little bit later today in a separate video, so stay tuned for that. Please, everyone, take this analysis seriously. 95% of you will not exit when it's time to exit. Did you know that every bull market peak in crypto has been met with a bullish news event before a massive drop? You're going to want to watch this video as soon as possible. And as a heads up, based on the information in these videos, the Trade Confident account is up $94,760 just in the past month. And it's not just Trade Confident. If we head over here, this person says you are the real deal. This person won 5% in their AVAX trade while they were asleep. This person 3 times their portfolio in 30 days based on the content and indicators we provide to our members. This person covered their member dues for the year based on calls made in those future forecast videos. So you don't want to miss out. Future forecasts, trade subs where we're currently 137 wins, 0 losses, and more are available with a membership at the links in the description down below. With that, we're going to head back to the home page and scroll down to the Bitcoin metrics to begin our analysis. Bitcoin emotional index here shows that as the drop has happened, traders are beginning to transfer from excited and greedy back into anxious and fearful. We're not quite there yet. We are sitting in the neutral zone, but most often this will result in a continuation in price movement until we fall into that anxious area, in which case we typically see reversals. This is exactly what happened right here. As the price dropped back here, we saw the emotional index dip into anxious territory before making moves back to the upside. Next up, this is going to be crucial data here. The Bitcoin volatility breakout detector has officially fallen into the breakout zone again. Most often when this happens, you're going to see insane, hugely volatile movements resulting in crazy price surges. However, I want to point out this does not show direction, only the size of the next move. We know that a big move is likely coming. If we want to determine the direction, we have to pay attention to the Bitcoin whale smart money metric. Here we are still seeing a little bit of short trade sentiment, not that much though. I want to point out that this is still a fairly neutral signal at this point. And as long as the price continues dropping, we should begin to see long trade sentiment soon. And when that happens, as we saw back here, this is when we're most likely to see price increases. So neutral reading here. Next up, let's check out what whales are actually doing today with the whale money flow relative to price chart. As of right now, whale money is tanking very sharply out of the market. We're currently sitting around a 56-point level on the whale money flow relative to price chart. Once again, this is neutral. But as long as whale money continues dropping, we should see a drop in price as well. And once whales are oversold, just as we saw back here and here, this is where you're seeing some pretty significant price increases. So keep an eye out for that. Last but not least is going to be the Bitcoin trade signals chart. We are seeing drops in price, and as that happens, especially as we approach various structure support levels down here, this is where we're going to be looking for buy signals. As the price drops, if we get a buy signal, most often this will result in pretty significant price surges. So stay on the lookout for that. A buy signal at this point is highly bullish, especially when you get it matching up to bullish signals from the rest of the Bitcoin metrics. Now, if you trade Bitcoin, you want to be paying attention to these metrics as often as possible. They're updated every single day at 8 a.m. Pacific time. Our members get access to the Bitcoin metrics along with metrics across all 20 coins on our website. Don't forget about our trade setups, 137 wins, 0 losses, and of course our future forecast videos. They provide crucial data for your trades. You do not want to miss out on that. And if you want to join our membership, links are in the description down below. Go ahead and scroll down, click more. The membership is the first link. Click that. It's going to bring you to our membership sign up page. The full access for $59 a month is what you're looking for. Hurry, because price increases to $65 a month are coming April 20th. Now this is going to include everything I just showed you and much more. Go ahead and click subscribe now, follow the prompts, and we are so excited to trade with you soon. With that, we are heading into the live charts. I'm trading Bitcoin USD on the 1-day time frame with the TC top and bottom finder, price versus while money flow, and trades in favor indicators. As we can see here, we've officially rejected resistance at $52,000. We have candles that have opened and closed on its way down from that level, an official bounce off that resistance. Now, the past 3 days have been very slow moves, and as it's played out, the indicators have been moving slowly down with it. Whale money has dropped out of the market once again, sitting around, oh, okay, it's 60. It's a little bit higher than we showed on the metric charts, but around 60 is still technically bearish, but it is really getting into that neutral territory. This tells me that whale money is likely to continue out of the market, which of course would bring the price down. I'm expecting over the next few days on into early next week, whale money flow is going to drop, bringing the price down to structure support at $49,000. We're already seeing trades in favor low, but once the price drops to there, we should see a long trade zone being favored. Price versus while money flow low, trades in favor low, and especially if we get a buy signal here, should result in significant moves to the upside, with our very first resistance sitting at $52,000. Now, I want everyone to be very careful. We have a breakout detector reading within the breakout zone here. That, combined with the fact that if we head to the 1 week time frame, we see highly bearish signals, price versus while money flow high, trades in favor high with a 76% chance of a drop. This actually could result in significant moves to the downside. This week is likely to close in the red. Overall, bearish candle here often will result in a sell signal. All three of these, sell signal, price versus while money flow high, trades in favor high, will usually result in moves down, and a breakout detector on the 1-day time frame tells us that big moves are coming. This is going to be difficult to tell. We're going to want to pay very close attention to both the 1 week and the 1-day time frame here. If, as we approach $49,000, we see whale money is still fairly neutral, trades in favor is in the middle, and there's no signals or anything like that, and we still have a breakout detector reading into the breakout zone, again, we have to check the 1 week time frame. If this is bearish on the 1 week time frame at the point of breakout, we could actually break to the downside as far down as $45,000. This is what we need to be paying very close attention to. From the current price, overall, what we're looking for is a drop from anywhere between 3.85% all the way down to a possible 11.8%. Now, as this plays out, you need to be paying very close attention to these indicators to be able to catch the next entry signal. These indicators have helped us earn 137 wins, 0 losses on our membership trades in the last 12 months. Congratulations to anybody that has been following us for that long. You've seen a lot of trade wins, and using our risk management has really helped us maintain that crazy win rate. We consider these indicators to be about 84% accurate based on our trading data so far, and the risk management picks up that extra 16% for our wins. Now, as this plays out, once again, you're going to want to be watching these signals closely. I can help you get these indicators for $550 off. Check this out. Once again, the links are in the description down below. Go ahead and scroll down, click more. The indicators are the second link. Click that. It's going to bring you to the Pro Indicator page. Members get a massive discount right off the bat. It's actually much cheaper to purchase with a membership than it is without one. Access the coupon code at this link, then click Pro Indicator Pack. From here, you're just going to want to scroll down, click I want this, throw in that membership code, fill in your information, click pay, and it's going to offer you the TC top and bottom finder for $400 off, giving you a full $550 discount. Click add to cart, follow the prompts, and we are so excited to trade with you soon. With that, I just want to say thanks so much for watching. Remember, trade safe, trade confident, and I will see you in the membership for today's future forecast. Don't miss out.